Kokrishala Surajana Cultural and Literary Nitwachi Sakmobet as a Korakuni Muktadara Aditariamo, Shalani Bagu Singzaka Surajana Dance Festival, Panda Mansaka High Court Justice D. Ambarnath Court Information and Culture Department Secretary Pikachu Robordi, Information and Culture Department Director Bimbishar Bhattacharya Koshong. Pulano Satikathar Musungi Ashal Pandano Jing Shaviri Kapanda Manson in Arroy Abuni Aglono Panda Kongnaro Kapanda Manson in Arroy.
Today, this is a platform for all India 20 forms of dances that is being organized. And here it becomes necessary to say, today, as we all know, it's an auspicious day, Mahashivratri, and we perform puja and pray Lord Shiva, who is none other than the another form of Lord Nataraja. And on this day, we have so many Natarajas performing on the floor for today and tomorrow. And the coincidence is today and tomorrow, both the days is Mahasivaratri. So on this day, not only the performers, but also I congratulate Madam Anjana Chaudhary ji, the chairman, and all the participants for their wonderful performance that we are all waiting to see for this next today and tomorrow.
Srujana was established in the year 1987. It encourages upcoming artists like dancers and singers to uphold the Indian culture. Srujana has decided to conduct Srujana Jatiya Nrityotsav every month to perform and showcase their talents. They are provided with 20 dance forms with artists and their families all over, pulled from all over the country, from different states. Dance forms are very particularly mentioned by them as Kathakali, Odishi, Deodhani dance, Manipuri, Dhamal dance. Dhamal dance is a dance form of Tripura, it's a folk dance. Then Mohiniyattam, Perini Thandab, Rajasthani Ghumar. Then Momita dance, which is a dance form of Tripura tribal community. Bharatnatyam, Sathiya dance, Kathak dance, Goriya Nittam from then Hajagiri dance from Tripura, Kuchipuri Nittam and Bihu dance of Assam. So these are the dance forms which will be showcased here by the talented artists pulled over from different states. Mrs. Srimati Anjana Chaudhary, which is a 60-year-old lady, have properly guided them. She is actually herself excelling in Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi dances.
Razok Ragul Nishimi Pronamnikok Tum Chinik Kwarang.